Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal in an instant pot. First, add 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of water directly into your instant pot. Make sure the lid is securely locked and the steam release valve is set to the sealing position. Then, select the manual or pressure cook setting for 2 minutes on high pressure. This hands-off method makes breakfast a breeze. For a richer flavor, always add a small pinch of salt to your oats before cooking. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can use non-dairy milk, such as almond or soy milk, in place of some water. Remember to add any fresh fruit, chopped nuts, or your favorite sweeteners like maple syrup or honey after the oatmeal is cooked to perfection. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can ask Alexa to play your favorite cooking playlist or set a timer for your oatmeal, all hands-free. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the cooking cycle finishes, let the Instant Pot naturally release pressure for 10 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. After 10 minutes, carefully open the lid, facing it away from you. Give the oatmeal a good stir to make it wonderfully creamy. Dish it out warm and customize it with your preferred toppings for a delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.